Hey, do you want to hear this word? It's called Bam it, Bam it, Boom it, Boom. I said Bam it, Bam it, Boom it, Boom.
You're too silly.
Okay. And then now. We're going faster.
That a boy.
We're going 10.
Tell the viewers what we're watching.
The train simulator.
Is that a real life train simulator? Can you bring the Polar Express up to about half speed?
Here he goes. There goes the Polar Express. There goes your Polar Express freight train. That's not so.
Can you give the Polar Express a little more juice? Keep pushing him. Give him a little push.
Oh, there he is. Is that too fast?
Yeah, a little bit.
Where's the baggage coach?
Well, YouTube, I want you to know this is phase 1 of our table, and over the next couple days, right now the table is 12 feet by 5.5 feet, and in the next couple days we're going to take it to 12 feet by 80 inches, and that's going to allow us to go 072, and it's going to let us do an inside track of 060. And we're also going to be laying down some corrugated soundboard, so that, which we've painted a nice hunter green, so that it's going to absorb the sounds of the heavy plywood. Because if anybody out there that's built a table, you'll know. I'm talking to our YouTube viewers.
Okay.
So you'll know that anybody who built a table out there who just used straight up plywood, I bet your trains run really loud, and they run really loud because of the vibrations off that plywood. So we're putting in some special soundboard. We're painting it a nice hunter green to get that grass effect. We're going to sprinkle on some blended turf, and that should wrap up phase 1. And then we're going to move on to phase 2, which is going to be a double tunnel portal system using some Pensy stone. We're going to put it in an elevated section above that tunnel portal. And we're going to build a mountain scene. And that's going to be our phase 2. So, YouTube, I hope everybody's enjoying watching our 3-train lash up of the Pennsylvania K4S, the Jersey Central Blue Comet, and the Santa Fe GP9, which that's the new model. That's Proto Sound 3.0. We're loving it.
Is this 3.0?
Nope, that's our Proto Sound 2.0 Imperial Blue Comet, and we also have an Imperial K4S Proto Sound 2.0. And we hope you enjoyed our show. We'll see you again next time real soon. Thanks for watching Brian and Jackson's Trains.